You can drive this RV on electricity, park it quietly, and live inside without burning fuel. This is the Wanaka BYD T5DM Pro Max RV, and I'll keep this straight, practical, and real, no exaggeration, no filler, just how it actually works and why it matters. First, the foundation. This RV is built on the BYD T5DM light truck chassis. That matters because this is not a regular diesel base. It uses BYD's DM hybrid system, which combines a 1.5T turbocharged engine with a large electric drive system. You're not choosing between electric or fuel. The vehicle manages both depending on how you drive. Low-speed city driving and short trips can be done on electricity. Long highway drives switch to hybrid automatically. No guessing, no complicated setup. The battery in the Pro Max version is 70 kilowatt hours. That is extremely large for an RV. In daily use, this means you can drive electrically, power your living area, and run appliances without starting the engine or a generator. When the battery is low, the engine supports it and keeps you moving. Combined range can cross 1,000 kilometers, so this is built for real travel, not just short camping trips. The battery itself is BYD Blade Battery technology. This is important for safety. Blade batteries are known for high thermal stability and resistance to overheating. In a vehicle that carries people, water, appliances, and electrical systems, battery safety is not optional, it's critical. This setup is one of the strongest points of this RV. Now the size and weight. This is a 6.5-ton RV, almost 6 meters long, over 2 meters wide, and more than 3 meters tall. That weight is intentional. It allows proper insulation, solid furniture, large water tanks, and a full electrical system without overloading the chassis. This is not a van pushed beyond its limits. Inside, everything is focused on function. Sleeping is straightforward and practical. There's a fixed double bed above the cab for daily use. At the rear, there's a lift bed measuring about 1.5 by 2.06 meters. That's a real adult-sized bed, not a compromise. The U-shaped sofa converts into another bed when needed. This layout works for couples, families, or long-term travelers. The kitchen setup is electric first. You get an induction cooker, not gas. A microwave oven. A proper sink with hot and cold water. The idea here is to use battery power efficiently instead of relying on propane systems. This works well with the large battery and inverter. One of the most practical features is the built-in 10 kilograms washing machine with drying function. This changes how you travel. You don't need laundromats, and you don't need to carry excessive clothing. For long trips or full-time RV living, this is not luxury, it's efficiency. The bathroom is compact but usable. There's a pull-out toilet designed to save space and a 400-liter clean water tank. That water capacity allows multiple days of normal use without refilling. For off-grid camping, this makes a real difference. Climate control is handled like a home, not a camper. A GREE 1.5P household air conditioner cools the RV properly, even in hot weather. For cold conditions, there's an independent fuel heater. These systems are separate from the driving system, so climate control remains stable whether you're parked or moving. The electrical system is strong and simple to manage. A 10 kilowatts inverter allows you to run high-power appliances without voltage drops. A centralized touchscreen controls lighting, power distribution, water systems, and monitoring. You don't need to check multiple panels or switches, everything is in one place. Noise and vibration are noticeably reduced compared to diesel RVs. Because of the battery system, you can park, cook, cool the RV, and watch TV without engine noise. This improves sleep quality and overall comfort, especially in nature or campsites. Driving behavior is also different from traditional RVs. Electric assistance improves low-speed control and smooth acceleration. Hybrid mode reduces fuel consumption on highways. The weight distribution feels stable because the battery is integrated into the chassis design, not added later. This RV is clearly designed for long-term use, not weekend camping. Every system, power, water, climate, layout, is sized for continuous living. Nothing here feels decorative or unnecessary. In terms of efficiency, This setup reduces fuel cost, reduces generator use, and lowers maintenance stress. You're not constantly starting engines just to power basic systems. That's where hybrid RVs actually make sense. Now, price and availability. This is a premium product. The BYD T5 DM chassis alone can cost tens of thousands of dollars depending on configuration. The complete Wanaka Pro Max conversion pushes the price much higher. This is not an entry-level RV, and it's not meant to be. It's mainly sold through Wanaka RV directly or international distributors, often as a custom order. Buyers usually know what they're getting and why they want it. The key point is this: the Wanaka BYD T5 DM Pro Max RV is not about showing off technology. The technology is there to solve real problems: range anxiety, noise, fuel cost, power limitations, and comfort during long stays. If you want a traditional diesel RV, this is not necessary. But if you want quiet operation, strong electrical capability, safer battery tech, and real hybrid driving that actually works, this RV delivers exactly that. No hype, no gimmicks, just a well-built hybrid motorhome designed for serious travel and long-term living. So in the end, the Wanaka BYD T5 DM Pro Max RV is built for people who actually travel, not just people who like the idea of an RV. The hybrid system works, the battery size makes sense, the interior is designed for daily use, and nothing feels added just for show. It's quiet when parked, efficient on the road, and comfortable enough to live in long term. If this is the direction RVs are going, smarter power, less noise, and more practical living, then this one is already there. If you found this useful, drop a like, subscribe for more real RV breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.